Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Juliet. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. In this video, we are going to talk about sales funnels for beginners. What is a sales funnel? Why do you need a sales funnel? And how to put it together. All right, so in the next few series that I'm going to be doing, I am going to be talking about sales funnel. So if you guys have any sales funnel questions for me, make sure that you hit me in the comments below. All right, so let's get started. All right, so what exactly is a sales funnel? Your sales funnel, or a sales funnel, is the customer journey that your potential customer experiences before they become a full-fledged client. All right, so your customer journey, whatever that looks like, whether it's offline or online, is your sales funnel. First, they become aware of you, and then they may have interest, or they may do some investigation, and then they may consider you, then they may make a decision. Some people call this the AIDA model, and that is the awareness, interest, decision, and then action. All right, so basically that is your funnel. This is the customer journey that the person has, whether it is physically or even psychologically, before they become a customer. Let's take a real life example of a client that I had. Now, before she became a client, this is what her sales funnel looked like. She had an Instagram following that she was just starting to grow, just over 1,000, going on, I think, 2,000, if I'm not mistaken. And the funnel, or the journey that I took, because I actually started off as her client, was that I saw her on Instagram, or she was referred to me. So I messaged her. And after deciding to be her client, what happened is she sent me a text message with the PayPal link. And then once I was done paying, she sent me an invitation to a WhatsApp group. And then from there, I got a text message with the Zoom link. And of course, I'm like, this can be automated, because it felt very manual, and it was manual. Now, when I got in there, she had about 60 clients. Now, she's been doing this for over 60 clients in the workout session. So in working together, this is how we streamlined the funnel and we made it automated. So the first thing is, the same way people got to know her did not change. So through referrals or through Instagram did not change, but instead they were now sent to a landing page. The landing page allowed people to purchase the product, and then that triggers an email that sends out to the new customer that says, welcome, this is your waiver form, please fill it out. This is the chat, please join it. And this is the Zoom link. You are free to join at any time when we have a class. So that got streamlined. And then of course, we still have communication about anything that's upcoming within her business, right? So that is a very simple funnel. A funnel can be as simple or as complicated as it needs to be to make the business function. So for yourself, how do you go about setting up your sales funnel? You need 4 things to make your sales funnel happen, right? No matter how complicated or how easy your sales funnel is going to be, you need these 4 things. The first is your landing page. Now, a landing page doesn't necessarily have to be on a website or your own hosted website. You could rent a website with things like lead pages and ClickFunnels and all those, but you can also build a landing page for yourself using WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, and all of those fun tools. Next, you need to give people a way to pay you. So you need a payment gateway. Now, there are multiple payment gateways out there. The easiest being, let's say, through WooCommerce, Stripe, PayPal, Samcart, Pay Kickstart. So, just get something to get paid, okay? Just find something. Now, if you're just starting out, PayPal and Stripe works equally just as well. And a lot of these third-party tools actually just integrate with PayPal and Stripe. So just get yourself a PayPal and Stripe account and you should be good. The next is your delivery system. You want to make sure that when people have purchased, you have a way to deliver. In this scenario that I gave you, the delivery system was a Zoom call, all right? A group Zoom call. It doesn't always have to be a group Zoom call. It could be a course platform like Teachable, Member Vault, or even some dedicated pages on your website where people can go and watch a series of videos or have a set of instructions sent out to them. Your delivery system can actually also be an email. You can send out your course, your product, your ebook, whatever, just through email, and that be it. All right. Then you can use things like Dropbox and Google Drive and things like that to make if you're delivering, let's say, just a PDF. All right. And then last but not least, you need a communication tool. And when I say communication tool, I am talking about email, text messages, or even chat bots. All right. This allows you to keep in constant communication with your clients, letting them know what's coming up, giving them some more value so that you can introduce them to other offers within your business. Very simply, that is exactly what a sales funnel is. Now, you can go down the rabbit hole into upsells and downsells, tripwires, and all of these things, but stick around with me and I will share all of that with you on this channel. So not to confuse things, this is just sales funnels for beginners. So hopefully this information was very helpful to you. Go ahead and write out what your current sales funnel looks like how you are making sales or how people are interacting with you to become a customer, and think of ways that you can actually automate it using these 4 tool sets that I have mentioned: a landing page, a payment gateway, a delivery system, and a communication tool. All right. If you have any questions about anything that I've talked about or anything that you've heard of around sales funnels or even marketing automation that you have questions on, make sure that you send me a comment or a message and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Also, if you liked this video, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, let all of your people know in your network that I am here teaching all the good stuff about automation so that you can actually streamline your business so you can focus on just generating more clients and getting more people through your business doors. All right. Again, like, comment, subscribe. And if you have any questions, I'm here for it. I'm all here for it. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video.